Welcome to VCDoctor. In this short video, we will see how the location admin can view and monitor the transaction logs. This is the menu where he needs to click on the transaction log to view all the transactions within the platform. So firstly, there is a filter option where he can choose the patient type, doctor name, or bill type. So these are the filters by which he can see the transactions. If he wants to see the transaction log according to the bill types, he simply click on any type of the bills, and that type of bills in transactions will be shown up here. And this is the total confirmed invoice count, and this is the invoice total amount count. So here is the list. He can check with the patient or doctor names, appointment, and bill types. If he wants to download or view the invoice of the payment, then he simply needs to click on this icon, and this will redirect us to another window where the option to download or print this invoice can be done. This is the transaction module of the VC Doctor. Thank you.